Hello, everybody. This is Learn and Practice Together, and today I have come with the practice questions for structure of chromosome, cell cycle, and cell division. As in the previous videos, we have already covered this chapter in detail, and I've did a one shot for your revision. So this will help you, get a good recap before your exam. So the first question says the chromatin material is formed of option A DNA only, DNA and histone proteins, histone only, or nucleotide. The answer should be B, that is DNA and histones, right? Now, coming to the second question, the term chromosomes literally means inherited bodies, twisted threads, colored bodies, or shining threads. It should be option C or option 3, that is colored bodies. Now, coming to the third question, the number of chromosomes in a certain type of cell division is halved. This type of cell division occurs in only testis, only ovary, both ovaries and testis, only all body parts, all body cells or all body parts. So it's both ovaries and testis is because their reproductive they are the reproductive organs and gametes formation takes. Now coming to our fourth question, synthesis phase, that is our S phase in the cell cycle is called so for the synthesis of more of RNA and protein, DNA and glucose. So is the answer RNA and protein? It's DNA. So in synthesis phase, only DNA is getting multiplied, right? Now coming to the next question, it is you have to sequence the you have to sequence it correctly. This is the stages of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, telophase, anaphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. I guess B is the correct answer. Second one, it's correct. Now coming to the next question, the new cell are to be produced for all except growth, movement, repair, and replacement. It's movement. Now coming to the chromosomes are duplicated in. So chromosomes get duplicated in which phase? There is M phase, that is mitosis phase, G1 phase, that is growth 1 phase or gap 1 phase, S phase, that is our synthesis phase, G2 phase, that is growth 2 phase or gap 2 phase. It is S phase, that is where synthesis phase. Now coming to triple hydrogen bonds. Triple hydrogen bond is present between adenine thymine, adenine cytosine, adenine guanine, guanine cytosine. It's option D, guanine and cytosine. So between guanine and cytosine, it's always triple bond of hydrogen, and between adenine and thymine, it's always double bond of hydrogen. Now coming to the next question. In the cell of a human male body, the number of autosomes is, there is two types, autosomes and allosomes. So autosomes are always 22 pairs. Okay, and the last pair is their allosomes. It's the same in males and females. Now, the basis of genetic variation in a living organism during mitosis occurs due to what is the reason why we all have some changes in our body or difference, why there is difference in you and your parents or you and the same brother from the same or your sibling. There is difference, right? So that difference is caused due to crossing over, right? So the point where this crossing over takes place is called as chiasma. Now, after mitotic cell division, a human female cell will have 44 plus XX chromosomes. Okay, why XX? Because that it's a female, right? So this XX matters. If it would have come male, then it would be XY chromosome, but the 44 remains the same. The correct sequence of phases of interphase correct sequence is G1, G2S, S, G2, G1, G1S, G2, G2S, G1. It should be C or third option, that is G1, S, and G2. Now coming to the next question, the phases of karyokinesis. The karyokinesis means this division of nucleus, okay? Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm, which is almost the reverse of prophase. In which phase do you see karyokinesis getting reversed? It is during the telophase. Now, the lengthwise arrangement of DNA mainly consists of a phosphate group attached with. So, this is which type of sugar or purines or pyrimidines? It should be C, that is pentose sugar. So next question, the number of histone proteins associated with the DNA in a nucleosome is. So how many histone proteins? As I told, the keyword is octamer, octagon. It's always 8. So it should be option B. Now coming to pyrimideins, the pyrimideins base of DNA are, it's for DNA. They can twist the question asking for RNA also. So for DNA, it is thymine and cytosine. Now, coming to the last question, the female gamete or the egg cell of a human cell will have. I guess this question is partially repeated, but there is a change. If you see, that question was asking after the before the gamete formation, after the gamete formation, right? But this is asking when the gamete formation is not yet done. So the female gamete cell before it fuses will only have 22, and then it comes from the male that is again having 22, and that fuses to form 44. So this is 22x because it is again a female gamete. So it should be 22x, option C, and that's the correct answer. So we will be going forward with the next chapter, genetics, and also moving with other subjects. Hope you like my video. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.